Rio de Janeiro, Garbage City, 17 hours 52 minutes, 13 March 2026. We will start at first reading the cause of all problems that can be summarized at the expressed behavior, with results ongoing or considered irrevocable. In other words, threatening, damaging, or effectively hurt credit, share rights, interests, and even expectation. The cognitive process is an interest as activity and an expectation as have the cognition about the circumstance, the object, things. Brazil and peers in Brazil had action intentionally made by specific hands concurrent on fake records in order to frustrate any personal flags anything, of course, that the spectral dimension projected from any personal flags anything. Brazil never cooperated to increase the accuracy of the cognitive process. If a system like Brazil and peers, with major aggressor Brazil, perpetrate frauds on judicial cases, of course that will be based on fraud that happened in your life as circumstance, even when they attempt to scapegoat things on you, knew that is a fraud intentionally made. Brazil, all guilty, 100%. And this kind of thing threatened discredit, including the usurpation attempt made by Brazil. Isn't true, Brazil? You shit country. It can't be violated. The intimacy, the private life, the honor, the image of the people. It's ensured the right as responsiveness and reply very proportionally made according with the aggressions you suffered plus the compensation by the damage, material, moral, or with causal relation at this, in this case, inter criminis, which is the criminal workflow, violating any of those rights. Sourcing at the Constitution Rio de Janeiro, repeated at the Constitution Brazil, the legal system, the constitution in other countries, the international treaties, systematically violated as a evolved criminal behavior from corruption at specific local department that had been sponsoring prostitution, crimes, inducing minors, violating social circle, doing the cohesion of society, and receiving the complaints made by the society, by the victims, and improving these criminal scams that got combined as a aristocracy, and so aristocracies until form the kleptocracy, qualified and classified like this as technical name after have the narco-terror, thievery, presented with Minecrafting argument. It's not only narco-government, but government at the narco-terror, thievery, which is usurpation. Article 12 of the Rio de Janeiro Constitution. Any person, it's ensured to any person, to all, without payment of tax, whatever, the rights to make petitions or represent to the public power in order to defend and sustain interests, own interests, personal interest, individualized interest. For instance, local court, judicial power, Rio de Janeiro, has any procedure against this credit if for interest on expectation? Is it legal? Had any violation of constitutional guarantees on it? Which is the legal support to suppress constitutional guarantees and do criminalization of guarantees after you complain the guarantees violated, affecting any person or flags anything in the spectral fields on it to threaten mankind. And the global defense as international security, the security plan 1920 up 2028, presented on 2016, if I'm doing no wrong, after the research of your criminal behavior, public power Brazil, later with peers, corporative and other flags, against my individual rights and guarantees in my private living, violating my privacy and all spectral dimensional fields on it. You heard a lot of things. We started with zero, currently over 164 trillion, considering the cases and financial penalties that are multi-billion, claim. We've incorporated financial protective instruments of the credit, surely threatened undoubtedly, make irrefutable probation we offered when we shut the communication while we bring our reasons to the Court of New York, are doing the accountability, including New York City, Wall Street. Right? Brazilian Constitution. This kind of thing made by Brazil, when you take a look at the law, 11,101, which is the bankruptcy law as a legal right of legal businesses, not covering offshore businesses, permanent open data, like this bank we are having that must be crossed by the international governance that Brazil considered the bullshit. What the audit you're gonna do? What the governance risk and compliance we're gonna do? Reading the law? Yes, to the New York Court and International Criminal Court plus OAS, Interpol, entire global organism and independent organizations for accountability, transparency, part of the digital society. Deutsche Bank concept violated the accessibility. It's the case number 3, if I'm doing no wrong, and the access. It's told on Article 158 of this law, bankruptcy law in Brazil, the obligation of the bankruptcy person or group, clause number 1, will end with the payment of all credit. You will have to pay, but you are filthy animals. A criminal offshore business, it means that you are a slave now of this credit by your law. Right, Siemens? Brazil and peers. We will take a look now, as it's a reference. We are just reading the law. The law 6,404, it's the companies, law in Brazil. It's told that the statement of the company will set the value of the capital asset. In generally, it's told expressed in currency monetary values. We must bring over 164 trillion in reals, but we are not gonna have this in Brazil, right? As an expression to the make decision have the situation. We have things here, right? This law is very recommended to the regulation. Take a look. It's told that the transference of property, for instance, we will have some kind of anti-crime activity without expressed declaration will be transferred to the company as a property, right? It's a regular thing. But we are having nothing made in Brazil excepting the reasons we have to offer as intellectual asset under protection law 9610 article 18. We don't need a registry to claim the protection violated. It's violated. We will please consider, take a look, but these two things we had will help the global governance and the bank case, the regulations as law we had, crossing with the social security fraud, that you claim the data by guarantee 33, right? The bank must have the money from somewhere, considering these scams that do usurpation and thievery against extremely vulnerable people. In the end, last quarter of life, it's not difficult in general with cognitive problems by the elderly as something that happens. It's kind of the coward thing Brazil do. And peers, shit flags. We will have that's the law. If I'm doing no wrong, which is the law? It's the decree law 3724 that is a regulation at the tax department, federal tax department, to access information, operations, trades, and service of financial institutions in Brazil. It's the decree law 3724, right? Let me take a look. You check how the financial bank institution operated at the international financial system, threatening this credit by the no reliability as Brazil and United States. Now you take a look at law in Brazil 7492. It's the white collar crime law with the law 11850, article 1 and 2, the public service involved, with the criminal law article 313, which are the clause status A, which is the fake records perpetrated by hand, execution and silence. Take a look also article 13. And then you will understand judicial power, New York court and total make decision, how Brazil and peers, the simian thievery, threaten a discredit. We check the law 13,869, which are the abusive procedure, which is power misuse. We are giving to you several instruments, not only to get the lists you need, but also control the subject you are supposed to have as institutional dialogue. The law 14,320, it's the public finances law in Brazil. You will check that it's told on article 54 you take a look at article 51, it's about the public incomes, because we have as indicated source of compensation the not attached public incomes, right? And you also take a look, since you have the incomes, right? You must have the debt, which is Article 58. The debt is a declaration or a formal act by the authority, in general, who holds the executive budget, which are the government, federal, Brazil, Article 84, Clause 678, the governors of states and federative units, and the mayor. We have the cities Saquarema and Rio de Janeiro involved, that are supposed to be under the, pathway of compensation, plus the federative unit Rio de Janeiro and others in the Brazil. Observe the peers related as flags and corporative groups. Having this summarized, we claim 10% of annual budget of all involved. Right? Now, we will have the movement for today. 60 minutes, 32 seconds. We will have that Brazil had been playing with peers a new model of something that is already known, which is the criminality. This is your life, right? This is your life. Here you have your rights, guarantees, private leave. This is your company. Here you have the interest, the clients, the stakeholders. This is your public service. It's your citizens, nationals, foreigners. This is any regular thing that the criminal groups got in touch, interacting in transcontinental level after they have some kind of broken window inside, advancing little by little until surround mostly your entire environment, playing as you, but not according with the beliefs you have or the creeds you do. To come from this point, which implies the corruption, since this very first moment, until bring something illegally made inside a regular system, it implies that you had Article 13, criminal association by silence, considering the oligarchies as the power misuse until have the kleptocracy. Right? My credit is here. And you in many moments presented me or interest or whatever as a criminal thing, and after we complain that you are entering my place, damaging my property, to create indictment against me to excuse your power misuse. But you, when you do this, you are violating the rights and guarantees as individual. Not only it's exclusively mine when I complain it, but belongs at first as a protection to any person. You threaten any person. Kleptocracy is something intentionally created by the evolved interaction as integrated corruption in transcontinental level through the institutional system by the silence or action, which only happens inside if the variables identified had been the way we have kept inside, without no dismiss, nothing. Since we are having this situation here, from next door, and this is the entire criminal scam, here in the next door and doing the interrogatory of them on New York City, that school had having the case, observing the institutional dialogue with six previously case, we can observe that here we have our OSM 1 up to 6, this last one with donation. The listed criminal authorities delivered by criminals, presented bosses, presented by representatives and attorneys that will receive, and everything they receive have 1% as the agency of intellectual strategy that is protected in Brazil, that I'm bring this to you. And they will have a donation also of this value 2 million OSM and 1% agents of strategy to the representative and attorneys of all criminal bosses around the planet, to the a committee at the United States observing the DOJ security, whatever, to revival Alcatraz with IoT, putting all kleptocracy criminals in a custody segment named July 4th. Right? We could have here explained it to the International Criminal Court, OAS, and the Court of New York City why we had to incorporate the financial control instruments at the entire credit estimated over 164 trillion that, exploded even higher. And by the law in Brazil, they became slaves with the peer. Have a terrific night.